All of these boat motors, all of this was free. All of this was free. And then we got more stuff in here. We got another Johnson upside down in here and a bunch of covers. To do a little stock take on all my outboards, we've got a couple of cowlings here. We've got an empty parts lower unit here, or shell, I guess if you will. We've got a complete 4-horse direct drive Johnson Seahorse. We have a bunch of engine cowlings for a bunch of 40-horse Johnsons I have, and Evernudes. We've got another one there. We've got a 7.5 Johnson up here, another 40-horse over here, and then another actual 40-horse here with a bunch of parts motor, project motor, parts, and project. And then 4 more out there of these 40-horse engines. All of them complete, of course. All of them complete. And then my 15-horse here, which I bought before that. Needs a few parts, but it's got compression. And it turns over good. So yeah.